Didn't anyone ever tell you that the sky is not actually blue? That your ocean is more red? Colours appear different inside your head. Didn't anyone ever tell you that the green you see spilt like ink across spring leaves might not be the same for me? Why didn't anyone ever tell you? You and I, we share the same blood, but to you the colour is red. We see in different colours. You never knew we could. Is my blue the same as you, or do you see something I don't see too? Is your sky not my sky blue? Do you not see the same colours I do? It's a small world, well, maybe not in size, but this distance between us may be far larger if we see the worlds through different eyes.